Hey busy bees, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with very exciting news about the COVID-19 drug. As per the available recent trials, we have got an effective drug for the treatment of COVID-19. This is an antiviral drug that was originally approved for the treatment of influenza in Japan. Please see this video till end, as I'm going to share with you some very important data related to COVID-19 drug, Favipiravir. So in this video, you will learn about the COVID-19 medicine, how it works, the clinical efficacy of the medicine, the recommended dosage, availability of the drug, and who is going to manufacture and market this drug in India. So, coming to the introduction part. So, Favipiravir is one of the medicines that are being explored as a potential treatment for COVID-19 in several countries, including India. Favipiravir selectively inhibits RNA polymerase, which is necessary for viral replication and so as to kill an RNA virus like COVID-19, as COVID-19 is an RNA virus. So, then coming to the clinical trials. A phase 3 trial for Favipiravir was conducted by Japan to assess its efficacy in COVID-19. The US has also started a phase 2 trial involving 50 patients with COVID-19. And some other countries are also working on this drug. In India, doctors are also conducting a phase 3 trial on the combination of two antiviral drugs, include Favipiravir and Umifenovir. Then overall, Favipiravir is being tested in about 18 trials around the world as a potential treatment for COVID-19. Based on several global trials, Favipiravir has shown the efficacy of more than 80 to 88%, which is a very good percentage. And Japan, Bangladesh and UAE are already using this drug for COVID-19 treatment. This drug provides symptomatic relief from COVID-19 with the mild to moderate symptoms and a rapid reduction in viral load within 4 days. Then coming to the next, clinical efficacy of the drug. So the drug is backed up with strong clinical evidence, and it is found to be effective in patients with mild to moderate COVID-19. It has shown clinical improvements of up to 88%, as we discussed earlier, in COVID-19 with a rapid reduction in viral load by only 4 days. The drug has shown clinical improvement across age groups between 20 to 90 years. Even more than that. So it is basically meant for the treatment of adults who are suffering from mild to moderate COVID-19. Additionally, Favipiravir has been found to be effective in those patients who have comorbidities such as diabetes, heart problems, and others suffering from mild to moderate COVID-19. The drug is found to be safe for oral administration in mild to moderate COVID-19 patients. Then coming to the manufacturing and marketing of this drug in India. Favipiravir is an oral antiviral drug, and that will be manufactured by Glenmark Pharmaceuticals in India. Glenmark has become the first company to get approval for an oral drug to treat COVID-19 patients in India. The company has received approval from Indian regulator, the DCGI, the Drug Controller General of India, for the manufacturing and marketing of Favipiravir. Glenmark introduces Favipiravir by the brand name Fabiflu for the treatment of mild to moderate COVID-19 in India. In addition to Glenmark, Optimus Pharma, which is a Hyderabad-based firm, has become the second fastest to develop this COVID-19 drug in India with the brand name Favicovid. There are some other companies like Strides Pharma, Brinton Pharmaceuticals, and Lassa Supergenerics, which are also ready to launch this drug. Then coming to the availability and cost of this medicine. So Favipiravir is a prescription medicine and will be available under the brand name Fabiflu by Glenmark at a cost of around Rs 103 per 200 mg tablet. One strip of Fabiflu will be available as a 200 mg tablet at a maximum retail price of Rs 3,500 for a strip of 34 tablets. It is expected that drug will be available in India by month end or June last. However, this is a prescription drug and can only be taken upon advice from a healthcare professional. So coming to the recommended dosage of this drug, the recommended dosage for Fabiflu or Favipiravir is 1800 mg twice daily on day 1, then followed by 800 mg twice daily up to day 14. doctor will give this medicine as according to the patient's condition. The dosage will be divided as for day 1, the patients will be given 9 tablets of 200 milligram. Then from day 2 to day 14, patients will be given 4 tablets of 200 milligram per day for 14 days. So this was all about the newly launched drug Favipiravir by Glenmark for the treatment of COVID-19. There are some other drugs also that are either already being used or going through the testing process. For example, hydroxyquinone and remdesivir. So apart from these, Patanjali has also come up with a herbal drug for COVID-19 involving ashwagandha and giloy as their main ingredients. We will talk about about the details of some other drugs for COVID-19 in my next video. If you have any queries related to this, you can mention them in the comment section and I will make sure that they will be answered. So thank you for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.